Well, up first on headlines tonight, both Sharad Pawar and his daughter Supriya Sule have been claiming all along that they have no direct or indirect links with the IPL. But now it's been revealed that the Pawar family has a minority stake in a company that unsuccessfully bid for the Pune IPL team. Pawar and his daughter say that the MD of the company, Anirudh Deshpande, was actually bidding in his individual capacity and they have nothing to do with the bid. But that's a slippery defense which now the opposition is simply not willing to buy.
My husband has nothing, let me reiterate, has nothing to do with any team in the IPL.
That was 2 months ago. Sharad Pawar's daughter denying any direct or indirect link with the IPL.
I stand by what I say. I have nothing to do with this IPL process and the bid process.
Today, she repeated what she said earlier. But hang on, this time she's revealed more.
हमारा शेयर होल्डिंग सिर्फ 16% है, जो एक माइनॉरिटी शेयर होल्डिंग है. बोर्ड ने रेजोल्यूशन पास किया था कि ये ना करे और अगर उनको करना चाहते हैं मिस्टर देशपांडे तो उनकी पर्सनल कैपेसिटी में करें.
Sule came out with this clarification after reports that Pawar's family owns 16% equity in the company that bid unsuccessfully for the Pune IPL team. Pune-based construction company City Corporation lost the Pune IPL bid to Sahara's 1,700 crore winning offer. And Union Agriculture Minister Sharad Pawar used this fact to defend himself.
Yeah, I was somebody in that organization and somebody in an important position पर था, तो वहाँ समझो मेरा इंटरेस्ट था तो किसको बिल्कुल मिलता नहीं, इतनी हालत खराब होती थी.
Sharad Pawar has stoutly denied his or his family's involvement in the IPL bidding process. Both Pawar and his daughter claim that the company board had given permission to City Corporation's MD Anirudh Deshpande to bid for the team in his individual capacity.
17, board took unanimous decision. City Corporation will not involve in bidding process, but Mr. Deshpande, managing director, he was eager to associate with bigger bidding process, so he was allowed.
City Corporation MD Anirudh Deshpande, who is a known Pawar loyalist, has expectedly echoed Pawar's defense.
पवार फैमिली के इस बिड से कोई लेना देना नहीं है और ना तो सिटी कॉर्पोरेशन का जो बिड है वो भी सिटी कॉर्पोरेशन ने टेंडर सिटी कॉर्पोरेशन के नाम पे खरीदा था, सिर्फ उसके लिए सिटी कॉर्पोरेशन का नाम आया.
Meanwhile, beleaguered former IPL Commissioner Lalit Modi has come out in Pawar's defense, perhaps trying to wriggle back into the BCCI's good books.
Mr. Pawar and his family had nothing to do with the bid made by Anirudh Deshpande. He or his family have no stake in any IPL team, nor did they bid for any team. Mr. Deshpande bid in his personal capacity with a consortium of bidders.
But Headlines today has learned that the Income Tax Department is probing the bank accounts and transaction details of Sharad Pawar and Praful Patel's families to ascertain if any IPL money accrued to them. But the opposition is not ready to wait. The BJP has already demanded Sharad Pawar's resignation for misleading the nation.
The Sharad Pawar has misled the country about his interest in this whole IPL process.
I do not think this is the end. Tomorrow some other names also may come.
Dabbling in the IPL has already cost Mr. Shashi Tharoor his job. And now, after fresh revelations regarding Mr. Pawar's involvement, demands are being made that he too should resign. Clearly, the IPL is becoming an albatross round the UPA's neck. With Bureau Reports, this is Javed Ansari for Headlines Today.